Enter an oasis of elegance, a family haven offering panoramic Sydney Harbour vistas, a sanctuary harmonizing luxurious comfort with timeless allure, luxury personified, an elegant abode radiating contemporary comfort, adorned with a timeless palette and bathed in abundant natural light. A seamless flow, a welcoming expanse of living and dining, merging with a grand terrace boasting unparalleled harbour vistas, a haven for redefined living. Entertainment elevated. Ascend to the rooftop terrace, a stage set for gatherings amidst the backdrop of Sydney's stunning harbour panorama. A main suite with opulent views, accompanied by ample bedrooms across multiple levels, offering comfort and privacy. A lower level haven and ample space for relaxation, flowing seamlessly to lush greenery and a refreshing pool, a private retreat. A fusion of luxury and convenience, an address in a premier enclave, offering a blend of sophistication and convenience near Rose Bay's vibrant amenities and coastal treasures.